I found 3 secret open source tools that replace thousands of dollars in paid software. You can clone your best coworker, pull hidden web data instantly, and run a whole AI company for $0. Keep this quiet. Starting with number 1, Colleague Skill. If you want to save hundreds of hours of manual work, this free tool will blow your mind. It is called Colleague Skill, and it does all the heavy lifting in seconds, with zero complicated setup. And here is the wildest part. It connects with your daily apps seamlessly to give you instant superpowers. It uses almost zero computer memory, works completely offline, requires no paid API keys, and is free forever under an open source license. If this blew your mind, smash that subscribe button right now. We drop free tools like this every single week on Juniverse AI. Next up at number 2, OpenBiliClaw. This project has the power to destroy boring video feeds. Giant algorithms trap you with useless clickbait every day. OpenBiliClaw gives you a private AI agent that works only for you. It runs directly on your local computer. The AI Claw scans thousands of videos across video platforms. It learns your true passions without tracking you. You get the best videos delivered straight to your screen. And here is the wildest part. It connects with a smart browser extension. It blocks junk uploads and highlights hidden gems instantly. You save hours of scrolling and learn faster every day. It uses tiny memory and keeps your personal data completely private. Everything stays on your machine with zero paid API keys needed. Plus, it is completely free forever under the MIT license. Drop a comment below. Which one are you trying first? And hit that like button if this saved you money. Next up at number 3, OpenMAIC. This project has the power to create a full AI school on your screen. It spawns multiple smart AI bots instantly. One bot teaches while other bots debate ideas with you. You can learn any complex topic fast. The bots answer questions, test your knowledge, and solve problems. It runs with local AI models for total privacy. It is completely free under the MIT license. Check out Juniverse AI at juniverse.ai.com. We build automation tools and AI apps that do the hard work for you. Link is in the description. And that is a wrap. We just explored 3 insane open source AI powerhouses: Colleague Skill, OpenBiliClaw, OpenMAIC. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below, smash that subscribe button for daily tool drops, and check out Juniverse AI and MIC tab in the description below.